think about sunglasses in the summer, but it's equally important in the winter. Dr. Lindsey Fish is here from Denver Health. And Dr. Fish, I'm terrible about this, but why is winter an important time to think about your eye health?
Well, we forget about it in the winter, truly, we do. And really, it's important because there's lots of things that affect our eyes that actually get a little bit worse in the winter. One is the dry air. It is more dry in the winter. That dries out our eyes. And additionally, we see cold and wind. We're outside more. It's cold, it's wind. That also dries out the eyes more. We also worry about UV light or ultraviolet light. We are obviously close to the sun, so we get more of it. But in the winter, we get the reflection from the snow. So it's kind of a double whammy. And the other thing we're seeing, especially this year with the sort of hot and cold, as you talk about, is we're actually seeing allergies flare up this winter, where it warms up and there's more allergies, and that irritates the eyes. So a lot of different things going on.
We just can't win this year. Okay, so how do we protect our eyes in the colder months? I mean, we think about sunglasses, but what else is there to do?
Yeah, so first of all, is a reminder that everybody should get their eyes checked and get eye visits with their eye doctor to look for more than just, yeah, I'm okay. We also recommend hydrating really well, especially in the winter. That helps lubricate the eyes. And if you do struggle with any dry eyes, you can do sort of lubricating artificial tear eye drops. You mentioned the sunglasses, but the other thing is to remember when you're outside doing things like skiing and snowboarding, really is important to wear those goggles to protect not only from the sun, but the wind as well.
Yes, they do. Okay, we're talking about sunglasses. I'm always forgetting them. So, and I think I have a pair in the car and then I get going and they're not there. So why are they so important in the winter, even if it's cloudy, because I think this is when people forget, or on cold days as well?
Yeah, so as mentioned, it's really about protecting yourself from UV light and from the wind. And the reason we care about UV light specific to the eyes is that ultraviolet light can lead to cataracts and macular degeneration, both eye conditions you don't want to have if you can avoid them. And we also see about 10% of skin cancer around the skin of the eyes.
What?
And so you can protect that with the sunglasses. So that's really why they're so important. It's to protect your eye from long-term consequences, protect them from the environment, and then obviously nobody wants skin cancer around their eye.
No, that sounds like a tough area to treat as well. Okay, now it's not just about adults, but what about our kids? Their eye protection and managing those dry or irritated eyes for them. We know eye drops are not happening sometimes for the kids.
Exactly. So really, eye protection starts young. If we teach our kids young, it's easier for them to continue doing it as they get older. So we think about sunglasses. You can actually put sunglasses on a 6-month-old. If they won't wear sunglasses when they're little, get those big brimmed hats. Kids look so cute with those big hats to kind of create that shade. You can do eye drops. You can actually teach kids relatively young to do eye drops, and the lubricating artificial tear eye drops are safe in children. We don't recommend the eye redness, the drops to get rid of the redness in the eye, not recommended. And then lastly, we forget about it. We take our kids to the pediatrician, we do a really good job, but kids should have eye exams as well.
Yes, actually at my pediatrician, they take a picture, there's technology now to pick up things in their eyes when they're babies.
They can.
I was so fascinated by that. Okay.
Absolutely.
Well, Dr. Fish, as always, thank you so much. Everyone wear your sunglasses over the next couple of days, Karen, because it's going to be bright out there.
All right, thank you.